Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the delicious CPK Avocado Chicken Bacon Club Egg Rolls from the CPK Family Cookbook. If you haven't tried this already, you're gonna love it, so stay tuned. Okay, so here are the ingredients I'm using for this recipe. Monterey Jack shredded cheese, 1 large avocado, 1 egg, 1 tomato, about a cup of diced grilled chicken, and 2 bacon strips. And we can't forget the egg roll wrappers and vegetable oil to deep fry the egg rolls. So let's get started. Okay, so I already bought my grilled chicken and I just diced it up. But if you're cooking your own grilled chicken, you can start with that first and then dice it up. Then you're gonna cook the bacon. And I like my bacon crispy like this. So these look ready and I'll take these out. And I'll start cutting them into little bite-sized pieces. Okay, we can put these aside in a little bowl. Okay, and now we can cut our ripe avocado. We'll cut it right in half here. Okay, we'll remove the pit and the stem. And now just dice them into lines vertically and horizontally. And now I'll squeeze out the avocado in a bowl. And next we'll cut the Roma Tomato and we'll just cut them into dices. Okay, I'll set these aside in a bowl. And next we can crack 1 egg and blend with a spoon. This will be used to stick our egg roll wrappers together. And here's our prepped ingredients we'll be using. So it looks like we're ready to start the egg roll wrapping. We'll grab 1 egg roll wrapper and face it as a diamond shape towards you. We're gonna place our first chicken ingredient in a line horizontally just below the halfway mark, just like that. Next we'll add in our tomatoes. And next we'll add in our bacon. And we're going to add in our shredded mozzarella cheese. And our avocado dices. I'm just putting about 5 there. Okay, so now you want to grab a brush and we'll coat the egg roll on the edges. Just like that. And we'll start wrapping it from the bottom. We'll lift it up and over the egg roll until it touches the bottom to glue it together, and we'll pull in the sides left and the right and we'll stick it together. And now you'll want to roll it upwards. You'll want to wrap it tightly but very gently so you don't break the egg roll wrapper. You can use more egg batter to seal any openings, as you want everything to be sealed so it doesn't fall apart when we fry it. But here's the quick tip I just learned. Place the egg rolls on wax or parchment paper that's sifted with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch so it doesn't stick when you're ready to pick it up to fry. Okay, and now you can start making your other egg rolls using the same process. So with all the ingredients I used there, I was able to make 6 large egg rolls. And just making sure everything is sealed before frying. Okay, and if you don't have a deep fryer like me, you can use a pot or pan and pour about an inch of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And you want to bring the heat to 375 degrees. Once the oil is heated up, you can start putting your egg roll in. I'm going to put in 2 batch at a time, making sure they don't touch each other. You'll want to keep a close eye on the bottom of the egg roll because they will deep fry fast. These first 2 batches took less than a minute to deep fry that color. I'm going to turn it around and let it fry the other side. And once they're golden brown, you can remove and put them on a paper napkin plate. Let the oil drain out. And you want to add in your next 2 batch, and this time it deep fried quicker. It took about less than 15 seconds on each side. So you want to keep a close eye on it and then take it out once it's golden brown. And here's the 6 fully cooked large egg rolls. Before serving, you want to slice them up in half for a nice presentation. Just cut them at a diagonal right in the middle. And there you go. There's our cooked avocado egg rolls. Yummy. So now I'm going to show you how to make CPK's Ranchito Sauce. This is the sauce that they serve particularly with these egg rolls. It's super quick and easy. Okay, so first you want to grab your ranch dressing and put in a half cup of ranch dressing in a bowl. Okay, next you're gonna grab your mayonnaise. I'm using Best Foods here, and you want to pour 1/4 cup of mayonnaise in the bowl. Obviously I'm eyeballing the amount there, but that looks about right. Okay, next you want to grab your hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Frank's Red Hot Sauce. And to start off as a mild base, you can put 1.5 teaspoon of hot sauce. This will give the mildest spicy flavor. And then we can taste test and add more if needed. So that there was 1.5 teaspoon, and I'm gonna mix it now and then taste test. And you just want to mix until you no longer see the red sauce in there. Okay, and that looks about right. Looks just like ranch. And now would be the time you can taste test to see if it's at the spice of your liking. For me, I needed more spice flavor in there, so I'm gonna add another half teaspoon for more taste. CPK's Ranchito Sauce tastes more like 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, which equals to 3 teaspoons. They serve this spicy Ranchito sauce along with their regular ranch sauce, but this is the sauce that's on fire. And this here was the spice I liked. If you want it more spicy, just keep adding another half teaspoon and taste test it. There you go. So easy to make Ranchito sauce. And here's the complete dish, the super delicious avocado chicken bacon club egg rolls with our homemade ranchito sauce, CPK style. I have to say, these are my favorite avocado egg rolls by far. Give it a try, you'll love it.